Hello, everyone, and welcome to Camelot. I'm not Arthur, but this is Merlin. All right, so I wanted to give everyone an update on our wonderfully adorable baby birdie since it has been a while. First, let me start by saying he is perfectly fine and doing great. But about a month ago, I noticed a bump on his head while giving him scritches. Yes, thank you for the kisses. And we got really concerned about it. But luckily, my father-in-law is a vet, and he said it was most likely a feather cyst and that it's not concerning, but that we should keep an eye on it in case it changes size. So over the next few weeks, I kept a close eye on it, and it stayed the same. But it also had not gone away, so we made an appointment with the avian vet just in case. So this little guy was a really good boy the entire trip there and back. And on the way there, he sang along with the music playing in the car. So we were the only ones in the waiting room and did not have to wait long at all. We did not take any pics or video of the actual exam because it's kind of traumatic. It's really hard watching your little baby so viciously mad, but even then, he was overall a good boy. He didn't bite anyone and was back to his sweet self after it was all done. It definitely wore him out, though, because he slept almost the rest of the entire day. So the vet confirmed that it was just a feather cyst and that we shouldn't worry because it's essentially like an ingrown hair. Since it does not bother him, there is not anything we need to do other than monitor it for changes. So, yay! Also, I am working on setting up an interview with the breeder that we got Merlin from. So if there are any questions you would like me to ask, please let me know in the comments and I'll make sure to get that on the list. So on that note, we'll end with some more of Merlin singing in the car. Thank you all for watching, and please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and let your bird-loving friends know about the channel. Bye, everyone. Say bye, Merlin. Oh, a fist bump? You want a fist bump? Boop. Yay, good fist bump.
They don't look very human-like. Champagne, cocaine, gasoline, and all those things in between. This night is heated up. Raise down and turn it up.
Yeah, good job. What a good singer.
Cocaine, gasoline, and most things in between.
Who's this little guy?
Smarty.
Oh, yeah.
You know?
You know?